Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Do they call jury duty numbers in order? It's a question almost everyone asks when they get that summons in the mail, see a high number like 472, and immediately picture themselves sitting in a waiting room until the end of time. The short answer is no, they almost never call the numbers in a straight sequence from 1 to 500. Your juror number isn't like taking a ticket at the DMV, it's really just your identification number for the day. So, what actually happens when you report for duty? You and everyone else summoned for that day become part of a large group called the jury pool, or sometimes the venire. Think of it as a big lottery drum full of everyone's numbers. When a courtroom is ready to begin jury selection for a trial, the court clerk needs to bring in a group of potential jurors, let's say 50 people. Instead of calling numbers 1 through 50, a computer system or the clerk will randomly select 50 numbers from that entire day's pool. Your number could be 15, or it could be 472. It's completely random. This smaller group is then sent to a specific courtroom. Once you're in the courtroom, the process of selecting the final jury begins, and this is called voir dire, which is just a fancy term for the questioning process. The judge or clerk will then call numbers from the smaller group you're in to fill the 12 or so seats in the jury box. Again, this is often done randomly, not necessarily in the numerical order of the people who walked into the room. As the lawyers for both the prosecution and defense ask questions, they may decide a certain person is not a good fit for the jury. That person is excused, and another random number is called from the group waiting in the courtroom to take their place. This continues until a final jury is agreed upon. This whole system is built on randomness to ensure the process is as fair and impartial as possible. A sequential order could create predictable patterns, but random selection ensures that every single person in the pool has a generally equal chance of being considered for a case. So, if your number isn't called for the first trial of the day, don't worry. You're just back in the main lottery drum, waiting to see if your number is randomly pulled for the next case. And if your number is never pulled at all by the end of the day, you're usually dismissed, and your service is complete. So the next time you get that summons, don't sweat the high number, it means absolutely nothing about how long you'll be there. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped clear things up for you, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more simple answers to your everyday legal questions.